Hi, my name is Asha. I am 42 years old and about to embark on really life-changing experience. I've enrolled in William Angus Institute of TAFE in Melbourne to study Certificate in Patisserie 4 this coming September, and I'm really excited. Hopefully all goes well. I think the whole reason of choosing this was because I've always wanted to do it. Even when I was younger, and it was I guess it was just a pipe dream, like it could never really come true until of course I finally decided that yes, this is going to happen, and it's going to happen now. With the help of family and friends, I am finally able to do it. Last year in August, I actually went to visit the campus because a cousin of mine, he was really interested in doing commercial cookery. So we paid a visit to the campus and I fell in love, and I was like, oh my god, I only wish I could come here. Why now? I guess because I decided at this point in time, I'm ready at a certain age, and if I don't do it now, I'll never do it. It was just me getting mentally prepared to say, okay, I'm going to do this, and I'm going to do this now. The decision was not easy. To leave people you love behind is always very hard. I think even as new students, when you leave for university, you're leaving behind your friends, your family, probably pets. You will feel that kind of angst and that kind of pain, where you're in two minds whether you want to go or not. But you have to. It's for your future. If you're not going to do it, who is? Hopefully I can inspire my son someday to actually do what he loves. I think any student going to university the first time should engage education counselor, because they give you all the information you need and want, and they guide you step by step as to how to do it. From the beginning, from the moment you want to apply to the school, all the forms that's needed and all the advice that you need, all the documents. It's a lot of work. It's so tedious, and I think on your own you may miss out a lot of things, but if you engage an agent, it's like a checklist. They give you a checklist of what you need, and it's free. A big part of me deciding to do this was also, you always wonder what other people think of you, and at one point in time you just cannot bother. You cannot think of what people are going to think of you. You have to do what is inside of you. Learning never stops. That's what I believe. Learning is ongoing. Every day we learn something new, and why not do something that you love and you're learning? Sometimes I would think it's a no-brainer. Sometimes it's a struggle to actually get to that point. But yeah, once you do it, you don't turn back, you just move on. Rejection just has to propel you to move on, to do something even more, to want it even more. And I know I've been rejected a few times, and yeah, it just makes you work harder, a lot harder.